some of the equipment you'll need: springform pan. I used the 9-inch for this particular recipe. You want to use the 9-inch pan. That will fill it up perfectly to the top. If you're going to use a larger pan, I'll let you know in later clips how much cream cheese to add, how many eggs to add, so your cake comes out nice and thick. You'll need a whisk, palette knife. This is for finishing the cake. We're going to show you how to repair cracks, dings, blemishes on the cheesecake. People often ask me, how do I make my cheesecakes perfect? They're never cracked, they're always smooth. The palette knife, that's what does it. So we'll show you how to work with the cake. So make sure you have this. They also call it a pastry or frosting spreader. You might want to get yourself a cake circle, something pretty to put the cake on once you're done. You can serve the cake on the tin, but that's usually not advisable. If you take your cake over to a friend's house for a party or what have you, this will disappear and you'll have to buy another pan. Then we need a couple mixing bowls, and that's about it. We won't be using any equipment, no mixers, no food processors, just these.